Reg?
Yes. Look at.
Okay.
Whoa! Ambush!
You're fired. And now for something truly awesome.
Pyromancer. I'm guessing that's Joe?
Yeah.
Nice.
What's that guy's name again?
Quark.
No, this
Limbo.
Electro. What was it, Josh?
What?
The electricity guy that we've been transferring.
I don't know.
Electro. I know it has to do with that one movie. What? What's that scary movie?
Scary movie?
The one with the ghost.
Scary movie?
The one with the ghost. Oh, Poltergeist. Poltergeist. Electro guys. There you go. That's his name. Oh, Poltergeist. Oh, fuck!
Poltergeist.
Fuck it!
Behind cover.
It's a real thing. It's not just a movie. That's what I'm trying to say.
Hop in.
Hop in.
Let's do this.
Jump.
Hop in.
Hop in.
God damn it. What threat?
Oh,
Oh, fuck! I was like, what threat can this guy really do?
Nice. I know.
Talking from the dead. I am the true poltergeist. Poltergeist. No, fuck.
Don't let those sentries lock onto your position.
Oh, jeez.
Pretty good, cadet.
Oh, fuck you.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tag?
Ooh.
Stay behind cover.
Jump.
Hop in. Hop in. Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah.
This looks tricky.
Throw your boomerang. What do we have?
Guns.
I got ammo.
What do you throw? With R2 a square.
860 no scope.
Ammunition acquired.
What about 1080 no scope?
We come in peace.
Can you imagine seeing that? 1080 no scopes like I'd be spinning 4 times and shit.
Wait, there's something on the bottom of my my thing.
Whoa, that was awesome.
I need someone to jump.
Hop in.
Or what? Oh, just shoot.
We got it coming. Stand back.
Shut up, Ratchet. You're so annoying.
Quark, get to cover.
You told your ass.
Yeah, hide, Quark.
Damn.
I'm gonna find some bandits.
Look at you, now you're dead.
And you're sleeping.
My Achilles heel. Jump over the beam.
Thanks, Ratchet.
I like how he lets you know what's happening. I would be so lost if it wasn't for that.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm out of ammo, by the way.
Well, I died and you guys get bolts? That's some bullshit. No, that's some bullshit. I'm sorry.
How do you work this thing again?
Suck it. Suck it in. There you go.
I'm ready. You ready, pal? I am ready.
I'm ready!
Over here, cadets. I'm over here.
It was like the whole fucking Left 4 Dead thing all over again.
What?
Look over here. Bam! Look.
Unauthorized life forms detected.
Look at this wall.
Oh, pills.
Yeah.
Pills!
Pills.
Have you ever seen those pictures of where, like, these, they look so fucking crazy happy to see pills on them?
I have not.
Pills here? They look strange.
Fragile body is. You have no
Megatron, what are you doing?
platform Delta through the steam channel.
Yes, Commander. Diverting platform Delta.
I'm on
I don't know we were playing Portals.
That's not good. You're being diverted to the Nest Rehabilitation Center.
I don't like this ride.
Look at all
I wanna
this
get off.
green
I wanna get
smokes.
off.
It reminds me of
platform level.
green smoke. What are you doing? Don't.
You said we must get to the platform level.
I'm checking. Shit out of here. Oh, Jesus Christ!
No! You guys just couldn't keep the platform level.
You can't keep the platform
Couldn't you?
level, no.
I'm not stable in life. Why would I keep the platform level?
Come on.
I'm over here.
I'm over here!
You have used that thing before, right, Captain?
I'm coming. Give me a minute. Okay.
Wait for me.
Oh, what
Get ready, Ratchet.
Fuck you.
You ready, pal? I am
Fuck
ready.
your fucking mouth, boy.
I am here.
I'm over here.
Pills! Tank!
Warning.
Lewis.
Unauthorized life forms detected in sector
Francis.
3.
Bill! Your line was Zoe, by the way.
Where's Zoe?
Yeah, you're supposed to say that. Man, forget it.
I
Fuck that up.
Fuck that
I owe
sword.
you a big one.
Gross.
Fragile
Ellis!
bodies.
Oh,
Lewis
you're on
only
there.
ever says that to Zoe. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Lewis only ever says that to Zoe.
Delta through the steam chamber.
I owe you a big one.
Yes.
Yeah, because Zoe and what the fuck's his name?
Francis?
That's not
What?
good.
Francis?
You're being
Fra-
diverted
Francis?
to the Nest
Oh,
Rehabilitation
jeez!
Center.
Don't like this
Zoe
ride.
and Francis
I
were
wanna get
supposed to
off.
have
I
some
wanna
sort
get
of
off.
love
We must
thing
keep
going
the
on before the
platform
game
level.
got officially done, but they decided to take it off. But some of the dialogue still stuck on the original game, so some of the dialogue can be kind of confusing because some people don't know that they had a love thing going on. Now you know.
Francis or Lois? Zoe.
Francis, the biker, and Zoe. Zoe.
Now that's
Zoe.
good teamwork.
I learned that on the internet, kids.
Hewlett,
Stay on your internet.
Still alive. Send in reinforcements.
Right away, Commander.
Oh, my fucking shit.
I was gonna laugh if you missed.
Hey, you didn't
I
watch
will
it
not
now.
friend. We do not wish to fight you.
Free money.
Oh yeah, I remember my thing.
Look at this fucking pyromancer, motherfucker.
Destroy my factory.
When it turns blue, we're good to go.
There is no saving this planet.
Oh, jeez.
This belongs
Oh,
to
jeez.
us.
Oh, you guys are bastards. There you go.
Let's do this.
We'll see who makes it.
I am here.
I'm over here.
Over here, cadets.
I grow tired. Hello, interloper.
I wonder what it would be like to have a fourth person.
Oh, probably very lonely.
Probably even worse.
Wait. I remember this. From a dream.
We must all join hands. All
Hell
together
yeah.
now.
Hell yeah!
Over here.
Damn it! You made me say it.
No, let me
We
be in
got
the
it.
middle.
Dude,
Okay,
stop.
keep
You're
it.
fucking us over.
Together now.
Keep
We
it.
gotta
What are
go
you?
to the fucking yellow one.
Give me your hand. You big baby.
Now, move
All right.
towards the fan.
Are you supposed to hold the button for lock hands?
Don't let go.
Ratchet, come back.
You fucking fat motherfucker.
Towards the
God damn it, Joel.
All together now. Move.
Down.
Okay.
Right.
Right. Up.
Oh, jeez.
How can
I'm
you
good.
guys
I'm good.
suck
I'm good.
at this so bad?
Down.
Down.
Captain, we must.
Oh fuck! Grab on!
Yeah.
Oh! If we go
no,
down, I'm gonna throw my
God.
controller at my face. Yeah. Left. We got this.
You guys are
You
dumb
guys
as fuck.
Right.
Fuck it.
Down.
Anybody that watches this is gonna be yelling the fuck out of us.
Woo! Give me these fucking animals.
I'm too old for this foolishness. Steward.
Megatron, you got the wrong game.
These interlopers to disrupt the rehabilitation process.
Oh shit, no!
What's going on? Oh, jeez. Why didn't we just run in there like...
Like we own the place.
Yeah, we don't know what's going on.
I don't know, we thought we was too badass. What is that?
Is too bad.
Yeah.
Nanotech, that's the stuff.
I wonder why Shield can even walk.
Good thing we save right here.
Wish to fight.
Good thing the gang is holding our
Over
little
here,
booties.
cadets.
Oh wait, I think I could kill these with this.
I have your back, Ratchet.
Check this shit out. Boom! What else?
Mine.
Oh! Pained! These guys got pained.
Notice how they didn't even shoot at me when I had that shield up?
They were focusing on the attack that was coming from above. I guess it doesn't stretch.
Hop in.
Oh, what's this?
I am ready.
I can't.
Let's do this.
What the fuck's going on?
The interlopers have accessed the Sector 4.
Would there be a fourth handle if there was a fourth player?
3 weeks of
Maybe.
retirement and now
Or maybe he just watched.
will not accept
Look, they don't shoot at me.
damage on my record on account of your incompetence.
Boom!
No.
Pick me up! Oh.
My giant ball of power.
Do not access that elevator. Don't do it.
Don't do what?
Hop in.
I say we go for it.
Ah, shit.
Well, I'm holding it.
The second me. Is that what you wanted?
No! I was like, get the fuck off me! I'm trying to help out Josh.
I think you did it on purpose.
I died just for you.
Well, I
want you
was
to know.
trying to pry him off of me, so yeah, I threw him. I didn't mean to throw him to death.
I think you did it on purpose, and just to let you know, I would have done the same.
Oh, I guess you have no friends here.
Ammo. You.
Oh fuck, it's the bouncers.
Looks like you could use a good thank you.
Oh. Get up, motherfucker. I'm not done.
Pain when my blaster starts clicking.
Oh,
You're fine. Suffer the wrath of my crouching kitten style.
Our forces
boom.
have been defeated.
Boom. I'm getting all this shit. Maybe you guys should upgrade your grenade launches.
Send in Mr. Perkins.
Mr. Perkins. Where?
That looks like a big guy.
Wait, I think
Oh
Mr.
shit.
Perkins
Oh
wants
Only way,
fuck.
can't get
Run!
through.
It's like,
shit!
it's like Deep Blue Sea all over again.
It doesn't look that bad.
Mr. Perkins, my neighbor, what are you doing here?
That robot's using an energy shield.
Wait,
Oh yeah, the sides. We throw you, and then yeah, I got it.
away from the bees.
Let's see what you can do.
Yeah. Again, throw me, pick him up. Pick him up. Again. Come on, Fatso.
Jump over the beams.
You can't do that. It's cheating. You have to be thrown.
I'm good.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Hey! Kill it.
Look out, cadet. He's coming on the run now.
All right, someone pick me up.
We must stay
I got-
away
I'm-
from the beams.
Oh more.
I think
I'm
I'm in a bit
jumping.
of trouble here.
Hop in.
oh no.
What are you doing?
You killed me.
Are you mad? Oh, fuck, hurry up. Woo!
Please, Ab.
Every design here reminds me of a giant tick. I don't know.
Must stay away from the beams.
Maybe it's the little beady eyes. I don't know.
Hop in.
Stay away from the
Used
bees.
that thing before, right, Captain?
Pick me up.
I missed.
Or you. I don't care.
Jump over the beams.
Oh, wrong one. Jump again.
Thanks for firing me into certain death.
You ready, pal?
There you go.
Stop. Open
Oh,
fire.
fuck, I'm dead. Oh, no, I'm good.
I almost got ammo too.
Let me get it in slow-mo so I can storm off dramatically.
Yeah. Yeah. I feel like Josh got the most. He didn't do shit.
What are you talking about?
I mean,
I damaged him a
Joe
lot.
kept throwing me.
Oh, we're pretty even.
For now.
Oh no, who's gonna win this one? Oh shit.
Ah.
Oh no.
Ooh. Eat it.
Oh.
I hope it tastes good.
No.
Why? I didn't die.
Bolt Master.
Zookeeper.
Oh, that's pretty good one. I go metal.
You're the Ben Stiller of the team.
Damn.
Oh wait, no. No, I'm sorry.
I'm on my way.
You're the other fat guy. What's his name?
I am out of ammo.
Oh, fuck. The guy from...
Nanotech.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what the fuck's his name?
I don't know.
He's a fat guy from, Grown Ups. What's his name? He's a... Oh, it's on the tip of my fucking... eye. I just don't remember.
Full energy chain.
Fuck it.
No clue. No clue.
Anybody gonna buy that?
Hell
The
no.
Dark Star Fission Tether. They create powerful arcs of energy that
I upgraded
burn through
my,
enemies.
my grenade launcher. Oh, I can't even afford Elite yet. Shit.
This will come in handy.
Everyone would come. Everyone would come.
I really want to get one of those elites.
How convenient.
Now that's what I call awesome.
I'm sticking to my guns. They're
Time
worth
to
it to me.
make history.
Wait, can I get my money back? I want to see what this
No.
elite does.
Seriously, no.
Oh.
Do I have to declare any of this on my tax return?
Oh dear. I believe I require ammunition.
Oh. Remember when Ben Stiller made fun of Joaquin Phoenix?
No.
No, I don't. You did?
Yeah.
Why? What did it say?
Because Joaquin Phoenix was going crazy, remember?
Who said you?
No.
Was it that meddling little
Oh, never
Powerpuff
mind.
Girl? The one who's been sticking chewing gum in all my machines?
Dang it.
I've detected a spike in your neural
Megatron.
processing core, Commander.
How is this guy so fucking high and mighty all the time?
To
Who?
enhance your sense
Whoever
of
keeps
calm.
talking shit to us.
5, 4, 3.
He has
You
to.
know what? I give him time for this. I'm in the middle of...
We're not even like soldiers. We're like...
Good. Where
That's
are
a fucking mare,
I'm
isn't
a
he?
fuking chimera.
Most of them
And
are
Joe's like a
flight, Commander.
three-fingered giant fat mayor.
I'm a little droopy-eyed robot, for
Yeah.
God's sake.
You're like the smart, Gurr.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah, actually.
Well, every other invader got, except for Zim. They got they took the brain out.
There's a party in Sector
You're one of the good
12
ones.
with cake and presents and absolutely no threat
I'm
to your life
a God of War
whatsoever.
Chimera reject.
BYOB.
You're fired. You look like you did a good
They're all animals. So we're gonna treat them like animals.
What's up, bouncers?
Mr. Zircon does not know his correction is deep.
This one's mine.
I'm literally just holding down the buttons. This game has auto aim.
Yeah.
I don't have to do much when it
Actually, I
comes
have to aim really like hard on my flamethrower.
This game almost plays itself.
Yeah, pretty much. See, as a hardcore gamer, I'm used to fucking moving around joysticks like a madman. But here, I just hold down the button. Just to,
You have to aim with the flamethrower and the bazooka.
yeah. Not really. As soon as you find a target, it just locks on.
Get wrecked, kid. 2 OP.
What does it mean when my blaster starts?
Boom!
2 OP.
I'm literally just standing in one place, shooting. I moved. This is so
How'd you get down?
I don't even know anymore.
Pathetic.
Here, people. Woo!
Your president has returned.
Get a voltage! Wow.
Life support. What are you doing?
Instructor Ratchet. Ready.
Over here, cadets.
I am here.
Let's go.
And now
We're not
for
going
something
fast.
Truly awesome.
What do you mean?
This is like one of those pipes that we usually like sonic.
You're
I don't
right.
think so.
It's a horse. Oh, fuck, I'm out. What the fuck? Hey, can I touch this? Yes, I can.
I'll grab the other one.
Oh, I made it!
Works for me. It doesn't have to make sense.
Nope. I'm stuck. What? Oh, what?
I got the thermal scan up and running. Looks like you're right on top of him. Or he's on top of you. Someone has the drop on someone else, so,
Woo!
plan accordingly.
Where am I? Oh.
Hang on, guys.
Let go.
Oh.
Whoever's in the bottom has to go first. There you go.
Boom, boom, boom.
There we go, son.
Gotta go faster. Gotta go faster.
Shut up with
Look
that
at this
crap.
fucking
Gotta go
logic.
faster, faster, faster,
Oh,
faster,
fuck.
faster. Sing.
What the fuck are you singing? You need to stop
Oh,
right now.
mad skills, dog.
What did you
Mad
say?
skills. Look at this. Oh shit! Look at me go. Oh fuck! Look
I
at
am
that
literally
shit.
just turning
It's
left.
so
or right.
impossible.
What the fuck?
I need to repair.
How come you're giant fucking...
I'll jump over this, do a sweet kick
I'm
out
out.
of it.
I'm done.
How did you do that?
Oh, cool.
Whoa!
Are they helping us?
Oh!
I'm gonna puke!
Oh fuck! No! Is that Megatron?
Damn that
there?
backflip!
Damn it, Megatron!
Man.
This is our pipe. Oh fuck! I didn't see that.
Ouch! Ouch!
Don't worry, guys. I'll make it by being reckless. It's the only way I know how.
Oh! This is the best part of the game so far.
I know this is a lie. I'm rectifying the situation right now.
Are you sure?
Ouch!
Where's the trick button? I want to do some sweet ass SSX tricks.
Tricky, tricky, tricky,
Tricky.
tricky, hard!
It's trick to rock around, that's right on time, it's tricky.
That was a good fun. Now we're back to shooting. Great. I'll just hold my button down.
That's all I ever do.
I got 5 points. Alright.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Pow, 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 pow. Shooting missiles.
Open fire.
Next.
Free money. Politicians.
You stop doing that in the fucking mic?
Ammo. Stuff to kill stuff with. The ship seems to be missing its power supply.
I wonder where it can be.
Now that was good teamwork.
Way to go, cadets!
I hate this
Nice
president.
friend,
This
the
what?
warmonger.
This president. I hate the president.
Me? You hate me?
Yes.
Someone should get rid of that donkey.
Megatron!
Let me introduce you to a few of Magnus's newest residents.
Why are you bullying us? Go on after the fucking Autobots. Why Autobots? Where am I? I'm dead. Oh no, this is frozen in carbonite.
Truly awesome. No, boy. Not enough time to run out of ammo.
I'm out of ammo.
I fell off the
Right.
map.
Hey, over here. Quit screwing around.
Ah, it's behind me. Goes after the decoy. Oh shit. Oh, I'm out completely out of everything. I'll throw a goop. Wait, okay. Does this work? I don't know.
Stop! Open fire!
I do not regret my decision for a minion.
For what? Oh. Maybe I should level them up.
I did.
Nice friend. Now,
Harder.
Oops. I jumped off the edge.
I have no ammo whatsoever. I guess I just have to do my boomerang. Oh shit, look at this is on this shit. Boom! Megatron.
No, we don't know either, dude.
Wait, we don't know if he's a dude?
No, we don't know either, dude. He's like, how are you still alive? Like, we don't know either, dude.
I'll watch you guys get all the monies.
I am ready. You ready, pal?
Hurry up, come on.
I will not permit a bunch of meddlesome interlopers to wreak any more havoc on my
Interlopers.
country.
Now, that's a good word.
As the highest ranking warlord on site,
Megatron.
I declare you
Oh, I
enemies
was
of the
wrong.
master.
Spog.
Prepare to do battle.
Prepare to do battle.
Oh, we should probably hit some ammo or something.
Yeah, where's the ammo? Come on, game. You've been holding my hand this whole time.
Don't stop now.
I need you now.
I wasted all my ammo.
I'll just throw my boomerang or axe. I don't, whatever.
My
It
boomerang
doesn't reach.
Yeah.
We're screwed.
Looks like Quark is your best bet.
You only have one shot. You don't even have elite. What's wrong with you?
Let's try new approach.
Circle. Oh my god, we can launch it at him.
Ow!
Bam.
The pain.
This will come in.
Thanks, game. You never cease to fail me.
You never make it difficult for me to
Yeah,
beat
you never make it difficult for us. Look at this fucking waves of shit that we're unleashing on him. Oh, by the way, you guys can throw his enemies at him. You hold it with the vacuum and throw it at the motherfucker.
Yeah, really, just keep shooting.
Did we just move to a new location with a
Just off to the side a little bit, away
with,
from the bombs.
No, with a new ammo replenish? Thanks, game. How you doing this?
I'm down.
Yeah, me too. Joe, come on. I'll just. Okay. Oh shit, bouncers! Get away from me! I don't even want to go in the club anyways. Alright, he's back.
Mr. Zircon does not even skill correction against me.
Oh fuck! He's trying to make us into a panini!
Prepare for the end. Apparently you don't know that the game likes us more than it likes you.
Apparently, he doesn't know there's an ammo replenish here.
Yeah,
We're
I don't
not
know why
going
you'd be fighting
nowhere.
us right here. There's so many other times that we would have been way more vulnerable.
Oh fuck. I guess I saw that coming. He's trying to go away. He's like, fuck. The end is near, Megatron. damn it! In your fucking snacking ways!
He's gonna try to chicken me again! No!
He's trying to eat him! Oh!
Pretty good, Cadet.
Kill this fool! Did you fucking die already?
Yeah, dude, I feel like I'm shooting him forever.
Oh shit! I didn't saw that. No, that was terrible. I'm sorry. Get me up.
Little help here, guys? I'm good.
Is he gonna throw every enemy that we can encounter? Is this the final boss?
Is it?
I don't know.
That'd be a really short game. I don't see where I am there.
Oh fuck!
Open fire!
Someone's controller is. Oh, it's mine. We'll make it. Just keep shooting these motherfuckers.
Nice. More ammo.
Boom! Shoot the decoy.
I like how he doesn't really change up his attacks that much.
Nope. Oh, maybe. No, he's already flashing red. Fuck your robot! How do you like it? Where you going, buddy? More bouncers? That's original. You guys have no comment on this.
No, I don't know. It seems like.
Yeah, it's true.
Is this too hard for you
To
guys?
be perfectly honest,
It's true.
I'm just jumping around, holding down the shoe button.
Yeah, so am I. Might as well make some jokes or something.
I'm concentrating too hard on the.
Concentrating on what?
It's aiming for you.
I swear to God. Why are you dying?
I think I'm the only one that has to aim with my shit. See this?
Yeah, I don't believe you.
Yeah, I just fucking hold it down.
Look, what are you doing with the whip? There's infinite ammo. You can literally just hold your pistol on these motherfuckers.
Yeah,
Look at this.
it's not even a problem.
I think you're trying to overdo it on something that I don't know.
You use the whip and see how hard it is. Hard fucking weapon to use.
Look at this. I got this grenade launcher. Alright, I have to aim. Ooh, big deal. Oh, Megatron! What is the trophy?
Spark 2.0.
Your voice modulator is damaged, Commander. But if you tell us how to defeat ephemeras, I believe I know someone who can fix you.
Well, I don't like to brag, but I did modify
What a
my
fucking asshole.
synthesizer with a special
That guy.
function I call
He doesn't know
the
shit.
Happy Platypus.
I beg your pardon.
See?
But I was referring to him.
Are you insane?
If I may, being evil has not worked out well for you these last few years. Perhaps using your intelligence for good will yield better results.
All right, fine. But speak of this to no one.
I'm telling everybody.
It's not everybody.
Look at him high off that marijuana weed blood all rolled into one.
All right, Spock. We did our part. Now, how do we defeat the ephemeras?
Only the architect knows. He lives beyond the lighthouse.
We need the Allspark, see?
Damn it.
Bye!
You did the right thing, Doctor.
Get
Get
back.
bent?
Yo.
I thought this was a kid's game.
Oh shit.
Watch out.
Damn.
You know what get bent refers to?
Watch out.
A penis fracture.
Oh
Watch
shit.
out.
He just told him to go break your dick off.
Watch out.
I am
Watch
ready.
out,
Hurry
viewers.
up, come on.
I'm ready.
Watch out, viewers. You know how it feels like to get hit in the back with an electric whip?
Yeah, I do actually.
Maybe not, little woodland creature.
We will not hurt you, little creature. Hop in.
Oh. 840 no scope.
Someone fucking get on this fucking thing.
Let's do
It doesn't work like that. You. Jump! Jeez. Finally.
Who won? Yeah, that's what I like to see right there.
What did you
No,
say?
no, get out here. Yeah, there we go.
Oh, shit.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez.
You won.
Oh!
That, what the fuck?
And my score is even higher.
That doesn't make any sense. Demolition!
Master. Immortal.
Immortal.
Alright.
Looks like I have the biggest bolts here. What? Did it freeze? No, it's still going.
Oh, okay. What is this?
Hollow Diary 001. Creatures. For years,
It looks like freezes without muscles.
Passage on Magnus. Their very presence seems to enrich, inspire, and motivate us all. It is a bond no one has ever sought to understand.
Are those the creatures we've been capturing?
Using a complex array of technological thingamadoos, my colleague Nevo Binkelmeyer and I have been investigating the effect of creatures on their owners. Take my old companion, Mr. Dingles. His mere presence
Mr.
seems to amplify my
Dangles.
talents as a paradoxologist. But observe him through the lens of a vectomorphic triceroscope. What strange manifestation is this? Have we discovered some new form of cosmic radiation? We must learn more about this energy. Nevo believes he can modify the protomorphic energy
Gross.
extractors in order to separate the energy from its host. Tomorrow will be a great day for
Look at these fucking nerds.
They say it like it's all happy, but they basically just said we're stealing things' life force. It's gonna be pretty sweet.
Pretty much.
Pretty sweet.
Swamp level.
I knew